Alam mo yung bumili ka ng mura kasi akala mo nakasave ka? Tapos after 1 month, sira na. Tapos bibili ka ulit. Tapos masisira ulit. Congratulations! Hindi ka nakatipid. Nag-avail ka lang ng subscription plan sa low quality. Kaya today, pag-usapan natin ang essential high quality items na mukhang mahal sa una. Pero actually, nakakatipid sa long term. Hindi ito luxury, hindi ito pang flex. Ito yung low-key wealth builder mindset. Tahimik lang, practical lang, pero hindi nauubos ang pera sa paulit-ulit na palit. Number 1, quality shoes. Kung araw-araw kang naglalakad, nagko-commute, pumapasok sa school or office, please, wag mong pahirapan paa mo. Yung murang shoes na 499 pesos. Minsan, after ilang buwan, bumubuka na yung sole, parang gusto nang makipag-break sa'yo. Mas okay ang isang matibay at comfortable na pair kaysa 5 murang shoes na lahat masakit sa paa. Your feet carry you every day. So invest in shoes that can survive your lifestyle. Number 2, durable bag. Sa Pilipinas, ang bag hindi lang bag. Emergency survival kit yan. Wallet, alcohol, tissue, charger, payong, resibo from 2022, candy, ballpen, at minsan buong buhay mo nandyan. So kung madaling mapigtas yung strap, delikado. Imagine, nasa mall ka tapos biglang bumigay. Lahat ng gamit mo nag-family reunion sa sahig. A good bag does not need to be luxury. Kailangan lang sturdy zipper, strong strap, good stitching, and practical compartments. Low-key wealth builders choose bags that work hard, quietly. Number 3, reusable water bottle. Hindi glamorous, pero useful. Kung araw-araw kang bumibili ng bottled water, maliit tingnan, pero malaki kapag naipon. 30 pesos today, 30 pesos tomorrow, 30 pesos forever. Bigla mong na-realize may monthly subscription pala ang uhaw mo. A good water bottle helps you save money and drink more water. Plus, minsan hindi ka naman craving ng milk tea. Dehydrated ka lang. Pero dahil walang tubig, naging taro cream cheese with pearls. Friend, uhaw ka lang. Hindi mo kailangan dessert with straw. Number 4, good cookware. Kung pangit ang pan mo, dumidikit ang pagkain. Tapos tatamarin ka magluto. Tapos o-order ka na lang. Tapos goodbye budget. A good non-stick pan, rice cooker, or air fryer can make home cooking easier. Hindi kailangan buong kitchen makeover. Start with 1 or 2 quality pieces na ginagamit mo talaga. Kasi cooking at home is one of the simplest ways to save money. Hindi kailangan maging chef. Kailangan lang hindi ka mainis sa sariling kawali. Number 5, quality pillow or mattress. Hindi exciting bumili ng unan. Walang nagpo-post ng new pillow reveal. Pero sleep affects everything. Kapag kulang ka sa tulog, mas cranky ka. Mas tamad ka. Mas madaling mabudol. Biglang iced coffee. Biglang pastry. Biglang online checkout at 11:47 p.m. Kasi pagod ka na sa mundo. A good pillow or mattress helps you rest better. And when you are well rested, better ang decisions mo. Low-key wealth builders protect their sleep. Kasi puyat decisions are expensive decisions. Number 6, reliable charger and power bank. Your phone is expensive. So bakit mo siya ititiwala sa charger na tig 99 pesos, na umiinit, na parang may galit sa buhay? A bad charger can break fast or even damage your phone. Mas mahal magpa-repair ng phone kaysa bumili ng maayos na cable. Get a reliable charger, cable, and power bank from trusted brands. Hindi fancy, just safe and durable. Low-key wealth builders protect what they already own. Number 7, basic clothing staples. Hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang daming damit. Kailangan mo ng damit na bagay sa'yo, comfortable, and hindi agad nagbe-bacon after 3 washes. Plain shirts, good jeans, neutral pants, decent jacket, quality underwear. Yung madaling ulit-ulitin without looking losyang. Cheap trendy clothes are fun, pero kung hindi mo naman nasusuot often, sayang. Low-key wealth builders repeat outfits proudly. Kasi ang goal, Hindi magmukhang bagong tao every week. Ang goal ay may pera pa after every week. Number 8, preventive health items. Good toothbrush, dental floss, sunscreen, comfortable walking shoes, basic health tools if needed at home. These are boring, pero they help prevent bigger expenses. Floss is cheap. Dental procedures are not. Sunscreen is cheaper than fixing sun damage later. Walking shoes are cheaper than ignoring your body for years. Of course, hindi lahat maiiwasan. Pero take care of your body before your body sends the bill. And kapag katawan ang naningil, walang cute installment plan. Number 9, maintenance tools. Basic sewing kit, strong umbrella, shoe cleaner, laundry mesh bags, storage boxes, small repair tools. These help your things last longer. Kasi kahit high quality ang binili mo, kung hindi mo aalagaan, sayang pa rin. Low-key wealth builders do not just buy good things. They maintain good things. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan bumili ng bago. Kailangan mo lang alagaan yung meron ka na. Number 10, good work or study setup. Hindi kailangan aesthetic setup na parang spaceship. A decent chair, good lighting, a proper desk, maybe laptop stand, keyboard, or mouse. Kung nag-aaral ka or nagtatrabaho sa bahay, your setup affects your focus and body. Kapag nakayuko ka lagi, posture mo magiging question mark. Tapos sasakit leeg mo. Tapos wala kang matapos. Tapos stressed ka. Tapos gagastos ka para gumaan loob mo. A practical setup helps you work better. And anything that helps you learn, earn, or build skills is worth considering. Now here is the mindset. High quality does not always mean expensive, and expensive does not always mean high quality. Minsan mahal lang kasi may logo. Minsan mura pero matibay naman. So before buying, ask yourself, how often will I use this? Will this save me money, time, energy, or health long term? Will buying cheap make me buy twice? Because low-key wealth building is not about buying the fanciest version. It is about buying the dependable version. The one that does the job. The one that lasts. The one that stops your money from leaking through repeat purchases. So next time you're about to buy the cheapest option, pause. Ask yourself, am I saving money or am I just buying a future problem at a discount? Because sometimes the cheapest item is not the most affordable. Sometimes the most affordable item is the one you only have to buy once. And that is the quiet flex. No luxury car needed. Just smart choices, fewer replacements, and more money staying in your wallet. And kung nagustuhan mo itong video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Low Key Wealth PH. Because remember, low key is the new wealthy.